Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Zenitsu Figma versus Buzzmod. We'll dive straight into a detailed analysis, looking at how each figure brings the beloved character to life. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision for your collection. We'll cover everything from posability to the intricate details of their designs, ensuring you understand the unique strengths of both options. Let's get started on this exciting comparison. When it comes to articulation, both Figma and Buzzmod offer impressive posability, but with distinct approaches. Figma provides a robust joint system, allowing for fluid movement across many points, often over 20. Buzzmod, however, frequently integrates fabric elements into its design, which can offer an even greater range of natural motion, especially in the legs and torso. This difference significantly impacts how dynamically you can pose your Zenitsu. Moving on to accessories and sculpt, both brands excel at capturing Zenitsu's essence. Figma typically provides several expressive faceplates, various hand gestures, and lightning effect parts to recreate his signature moves. Buzzmod also offers a rich selection, sometimes including unique elements like wired fabric haoris for dramatic posing. We'll closely examine the intricate details of their sculpts, from the folds in their clothing to the sharpness of their sword hilts, and the overall paint fidelity. Ultimately, deciding between a Zenitsu Figma and a Buzzmod comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. Figma often provides a solid, consistent experience with excellent quality control. Buzzmod, with its fabric elements, can offer unparalleled posability and a more premium feel, though sometimes at a higher price point. Consider what aspects are most important to you: maximum articulation, accessory count, or overall aesthetic. Both are fantastic representations of Zenitsu, offering distinct advantages for your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.